High precision. Cat5e, ANSI, TIA-568-C.2 Compliant, ETL Verified, Ethernet LAN Patch Cable, pre-terminated with Cat5e RJ45 connectors and available in a wide variety of colors for proper color coding of network connections. Premium quality Category 5 enhanced cable, long-lasting materials, durable design, and a lifetime warranty for the price of a generic cable. ETL Verified to ensure maximum reliability and compatibility. UTP-24AWG stranded conductors for flexibility and minimum crosstalk, 50 micron gold-plated contacts for high-speed data transfer and corrosion resistance, as well as molded, snag-less strain relief boots for long-lasting, durable connections. Compatible with Ethernet 10 base T, 100 base TX, Fast Ethernet, 1000 base T, Gigabit Ethernet, and peer-to-peer, as well as any other devices that utilize 8C8P networking cables including telephony, home automation and long-distance video transfer technologies like HMDI over Ethernet. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome pack of Cat5 cables. Really high-quality Ethernet cables. They even included an extra 4 cables. I am going to be buying more in the future from this vendor.